Vermicomposting is one of the best ways to not only enhance soil fertility, but also reduce soil pollution. Vermicomposting is a process in which the earthworms convert the organic waste into manure rich in high nutritional content. A vermicomposting project can be successful anywhere. Vermicomposting is the scientific method of making compost by using earthworms. Earthworms feed on the organic waste materials and give out excreta in the form of vermicasts that are rich in nitrates and minerals, such as phosphorus, magnesium, calcium and potassium. These are used as fertilizers and enhance soil quality. To prepare compost, either a plastic or a concrete tank can be used. The size of the tank depends upon the availability of raw materials. But for vermicomposting, cement pits 10 feet long and 5 feet wide are best. Add a layer 2 to 3 inch of soil or sand at the bottom of the tank. Collect the biomass and place it under the sun for about 8 to 12 days. Now chop it to the required size using the cutter. Prepare a cow dung slurry and sprinkle it on the heap for quick decomposition. Now prepare fine bedding with partially decomposed cow dung. Distribute them evenly on the sand layer. Continue adding the chopped partially decomposed cow dung into the tank up to a depth of 0.5 to 1.0 feet. After adding all the bio-wastes, release the earthworm species over the mixture and cover the compost mixture with dry straw or gunny bags. The selection of suitable earthworm species for vermicomposting is an important step of the overall process. Out of the thousands of species of earthworms, only a few are suitable for vermicomposting of organic wastes. Essenia fetida earthworm is the most appropriate species for the vermicomposting process. Maintain proper moisture and temperature. Maintain temperature 26 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, and humidity 65% to 70% by sprinkling water. The bin should not be too dry or too wet. Cover the tank with a thatch roof to prevent the entry of ants, lizards, mouse, snakes, etc. and protect the compost from rainwater and direct sunshine. After the 24th day, around 4,000 to 5,000 new worms are introduced, and the entire raw material is turned into the vermicompost. Finally, the prepared vermicompost should be sieved through a 2 mm sieve. Compost made from using earthworm is 4 to 5 times stronger than any other compost. This black gold can be used on lawns, landscaping, gardens, and even indoor plants. Vermicomposting is an eco-friendly process that recycles organic waste into compost and produces valuable nutrients. Vermicompost should be dried and stored.